Hi, my name is Jannika, I am your German teacher, and today, after you learned the masculine article der in the previous video, let's learn the female article die. There are two parts, so two videos. Please watch both of them and do not forget to have fun. So in part number 1, for die, I'd like to explain you suffixes which help us to define a noun which is female. So let's start. The first suffix was ung. The first suffix was ung. Example giving: die Zeitung, the journal. Ung is really productive in German, so you often will hear it as in die Zeitung. Okay, but there are some more suffixes. Example giving: heit, die Gesundheit, the health. Gesund means healthy, and Gesundheit, the health. Yeah, this is also female. And that's one really interesting suffix in many European language, which is ion. All nouns in ion are female. Yeah, example giving: die Information, the information. And please take care of the pronunciation, because many English speakers pronounce it in an English way and say die Information. That's not, it's die Information. Another example: die Reaktion, the reaction. Okay, and last but not least, the suffix e. So example giving: die Sonne, the sun. Yeah, many, but not all nouns with e are feminine. Yeah, die Sonne is feminine, but example giving or some more. Let's talk about some more feminine nouns with e before giving the exception. Other examples for that rule is die Stunde, the hour, or die Sekunde, the second. But yeah, as I mentioned, there are exceptions. Example giving: der Käse, the cheese. Cheese is male, sun is female. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, we have to learn it. Okay, so this was part 1 of female nouns or nouns with a female article. I hope you had fun, and do not forget to watch the second video, and maybe you'd like to subscribe my channel or follow me on Instagram. I would appreciate that. And yeah, thank you so much, and see you in one of my next videos. Ciao, ciao!